немножко. А ты часто так катаешься?
Его больше вкладываться.
Сильно тоже не надо, потому что тут видно.
Ты чуть не поймал, блин.
Give me 5. Thank you. Hey, what do you think about to go to another shore where I can swim and you can look at me? What do you think? I think it's a good idea. And also I think you will agree with me because you have no choice. Give me 5. Give me 4. Delap. You know, I'm hating what they are doing with my forest, but I think some situations on another hand. You know, I hate that they do with my forest, but on another hand, it's Saturday and there is no people. It's a miracle. That ugly, bad situation with destroying my woods bring some good things, like empty forest. It's just me and my dog and nothing more.
Вроде мастер спорта самый первый воротопотельный, если я не путаю. Вот, картина, видишь, такой стоит? Ну, сейчас пошел женщина. Вот идут. Я не разглядел. Вот так говорю. 4-3.